welcome to the Journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my lock friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about my 10-month lock update. But hold on, before I get into that, Happy New Year. We are in 2021. I just want to show some gratitude because I do have life and my channel is growing. I am now up to 425 subscribers, so I just want to show a lot of gratitude to all the supporters, all of the love and kind comments that you guys are giving me. It's pushing me to create more content and I just love you guys. So continue to share my channel with your friends and everyone that you know. I'm very grateful because without your support, this channel wouldn't be growing. So without further ado, let's get into that 10-month lock update. So first and foremost, my locks are sealed. Well, most of them. So for instance, this one is completely sealed. Most of this row is completely sealed, right? Except this one. We have a lot to the back. Moisturizing routine. I said in my 9-month lock update that every Friday I moisturize my locks. However, it's looking as though that I have to do it maybe like every 3-4 days because it's just, I wouldn't say it's extremely dry, but it just needs that little in there to get my locks looking like really healthy. I guess most times when I do have it in a satin cap or a scarf, it just needs a little fluff out with the water and the oils. Nice massage, which I like. So I'll be doing that maybe like every 3-4 days. Just give it a nice spray up and we're good. My locks actually feel light. So I thought it was gonna be a little more weighty after a while, but I'll be hitting 11 months. 11 months today. So I guess as time goes by, the weight will come down, but I'm not complaining. I love it nice and fluffy and light. You can actually see that it looks like locks. So it's still transitioning and you can actually see the 2-strand twist disappearing. Let's just pause and admire this partial retwist to the front. I know you guys didn't know. If I didn't say anything, you guys wouldn't have known, but had to say it, just a partial retwist. I haven't done a retwist for a month now, I believe, month and maybe a week. So I just did a little retwist to the front so you can look fresh for the video, you know. Gotta do that sometimes. Anyways, moving on. I actually want to do my retwist maybe every month because my hair really grows out fast. I'm not sure if it actually grows out or the retwists just don't last long. I have been styling after I do a retwist and I guess that's why it kind of carries me for like the 2-3 weeks so it doesn't look too bad. But once I take out that style and I wash it, it's just like bam, afro come out in the roots. So I mean, I'm gonna try and maybe do it every 4 to 6 weeks, or if anything, just maybe style it once I wash it again so it don't be too hectic to deal with. One major update that I want to share with you guys is the locks that I combined. I can feel the difference. The ones that I just did singly, I didn't combine them. It's fine, it doesn't pull or anything, but I find that when I put my locks up in a style, the ones that I combine, they actually like pull. And it's kind of uncomfortable because I would always have to like pull them out. So for instance, let me come closer. So for instance, this one. Let me take this out. You can tell it's combined, right? But you see this? This is not fusing together. I'm not sure if I have to get a crochet needle to get these fused together. The ends is not a problem because the ends are already fused. I'll say fused or sealed. But up here, It's just, I don't like that look. And it actually pulls. I'm not sure because some little hairs are just like in between this one and this one. So I may take it out and just twist it in one instead of having the two combined together. Another one that's major, this one was combined with three. I did not take them out and wrap it around. I just took the three twists and just twist it together. So this one, the end of the lock isn't bad. However, if you can see this, one, two, three. So these are the three twists that I combined, and it's just pulling everywhere and it just looks weird. I'm not sure if because I don't have an issue with the size of it, but when I do the retwist, it's like pulling here, pulling there, and you can actually see the space in between still. So I think I will fix that. I'm not sure if I'll go to the hairdressers to have that fixed, or I might just do a video showing you guys how I uncombine them. I'm still iffy with that because I don't want to mess it up. But that's what's going on with those two combined locks. I think I did maybe 4 combinations, but those two are giving me a lot of trouble. This one in particular is not, it's maybe like 50%, 50-50, but I just don't like the little space area. I don't want that to cause any trouble in the future. And also this one, I definitely have to deal with this one because that's too much space and I'm not sure if it will even seal. So I definitely have to deal with it quickly, or maybe I just have to get a crochet needle and crochet it every time I retwist or do a wash, so therefore it can get in that behavior of you have to stay in here, okay? But I'll definitely let you guys know what I decide to do with that. And as I said, I am on my 11th month, so hooray for me. My locks are flourishing nicely. I do love this saying. I don't know if I made it up or if I heard it from somewhere, so it just stick with me. But whatever you water and nourish must grow. So I always think of my locks as plants. I do love plants, yes, and I do look at my locks as though they are, because once you give plants, you nourish it, you show it love, and you water it, and you just watch it grow. It don't disappoint you in most cases. So I do look at my locks like plants. I'll just do a nice 360. I just want to point out that I do love the thickness of my locks, and for those of you who have not watched like my previous videos, I'll put the video tag up here, so therefore you can definitely check out that lock count video. I do have 100 locks, and I was kind of worried that it would not look how I want it to look. So I definitely had to just stay patient because I know it will thicken up, and I just had to be patient about it. So if you check on my Instagram, I'm always speaking about be patient because it will flourish. Definitely stay patient because it helped me on my journey, because I was just like, babe, I think I have to combine more, or I think I have to take this one out and make it a bit smaller because this one will be bigger than the other. But I just stopped combining and just watch my hair flourish. And as you can see today, so that's all for my 10-month lock update. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm very thankful today. So So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, definitely hit that like button and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about my combined locks and what you think about using the crochet needle or just doing it over all together. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and share with everyone that you know. Until next time, much love and peace and joy. Bye.